West Bengal, a state in eastern India, is gifted with diverse geographical features. From the Himalayas in the north to the Bay of Bengal in the south, the landscape varies greatly. This diverse geography gives rise to a wide array of soil types, each with its unique characteristics. Understanding these soil patterns is crucial for successful agriculture in the region. The type of soil determines the crops that can be grown and the farming techniques that yield the best results. The distribution of soil types in West Bengal is influenced by factors like the Himalayan rivers, the Bay of Bengal, and the varying rainfall patterns. The alluvial soils deposited by the rivers are particularly fertile, making the state a major agricultural producer. However, understanding the nuances of each soil type is essential for farmers to maximize their yield and contribute to the state's agricultural prosperity. West Bengal primarily has three major soil types: alluvial soil, laterite soil, and red soil. Each type has a distinct texture, composition, and suitability for different crops. Alluvial soil, found in the Gangetic Plains, is highly fertile due to its rich mineral content. This makes it ideal for crops like rice, jute, and vegetables. Laterite soil, found in the western parts of the state, is characterized by its high iron content. It is less fertile than alluvial soil but suitable for crops like tea and cashew nuts. Red soil, found in parts of West Medinipur and Bankura districts, is known for its good drainage. This makes it suitable for crops like pulses and oil seeds. Understanding the relationship between soil types and crop suitability is crucial for agricultural success. For instance, the high clay content of alluvial soil makes it ideal for rice cultivation, as it retains water well. However, the same characteristic makes it unsuitable for crops like lentils, which require well-drained soil. Laterite soil, with its good drainage, is well suited for crops like tea and cashew nuts that are sensitive to waterlogging. Red soil, on the other hand, is ideal for pulses and oil seeds, as these crops thrive in well-drained soil and can tolerate moderate fertility. Drainage plays a vital role in agriculture, especially in a state like West Bengal that receives significant rainfall. Proper drainage ensures that excess water is removed from the root zone, preventing waterlogging and root rot. The type of soil influences its drainage capacity. Alluvial soil, with its high clay content, tends to have poor drainage. Therefore, farmers in these regions need to create proper drainage channels to prevent waterlogging. Laterite soil, on the other hand, has good natural drainage. However, excessive rainfall can still lead to erosion, so soil conservation measures are essential. Red soil also has good drainage, but farmers need to ensure that the soil is not left bare during the monsoon season to prevent erosion.